In this video, you can learn how to set up root domain, subdomain for your funnels in HighLevel. In this particular video, I will be answering that question by answering and addressing these three questions. Number one, how to add a domain or subdomain in HighLevel. Number two, how to add a domain or subdomain to a sales funnel in HighLevel. And number three, how to properly redirect a domain in www.yourdomainname.com or vice versa, redirect the www.yourdomainname.com to the root domain, just yourdomainname.com. All right, let's hop into my sub account. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's hop over here. Let's get the right page up. Okay. So if we're in my demo account, if I scroll all the way down to the bottom to settings, and then once I'm in settings, I can scroll down a little bit and I can get to domains, subdomains, and I've already added a domain called Secure Training Online here prior to this video. So what I can do is I can remove it and add it back, or I can just show you what the DNS records look like for this. So once I've added it, a little window will pop up and ask you for, or tell you the exact DNS records you need. So if you were to do this, you might put in www.yourdomainname.com. It says I also want to add yourdomainname.com. So you can either add it with the www here, and then it'll say I want to add just the root domain, or you can just put in the root domain and then it'll say I also want to add the www version. And then once you do that, you can click continue. It'll try to automatically add the DNS records to the registrar where your DNS is hosted. Otherwise, I like to, and I prefer to use this add record manually button. So if I do that, then it brings this up and it basically has just two records, an A record with the @ symbol for the host, and then a required value being an IP address, which may or may not be exactly the same for you. Then there is a CNAME record with the www that you need to add, and again it'll point to this required value. And then once you've added those to your domain registrar DNS records, you'll click verify records and you should be all set as long as you added them correctly. Right? I'm not going to add this because it's a fake domain name, but that's what will pop up. Now, if I wanted to add a subdomain, the process is the same. So this would be subdomain.yourmaindomain.com, right? And it won't have that extra option because you're putting in something that it recognizes as not www or not, not having it, right? So it knows it's a subdomain. And in this case, if I click on add record manually, it'll just ask me to create the CNAME record only. The host changes from www, like we just showed you in the previous example, to whatever the subdomain name is. And then the same required value, it will be added. So you'll add this as an additional record to add a subdomain. Granted, your subdomain can be whatever you want it to be. It doesn't have to be the word subdomain. I'm just using that as an example. Then you'll verify records, and when the record is verified, you'll be all set. And you'll have a subdomain listed here. So if I wanted to add this legitimately for Secure Training Online, I could do that. I could put in a subdomain of, let's just say, demo.securetrainingonline.com, and then click on add this record. So I know I'm just going to be adding this to my DNS. So let me pull up my Namecheap account for you. Okay, here we are inside my Namecheap account for securetrainingonline.com. You can see I have my A record established. I have my CNAME record with the www established for sites.ludicrous.cloud. Now I'm going to add one more CNAME record for this subdomain. And the subdomain again was demo. It could be whatever you want it to be. And the target is the same, sites.ludicrous.cloud. And I'm going to make the time to live 1 minute. And I'm going to add that record. Now within 1 minute this should verify. So we'll come back over here, we'll try it. It may or may not work right this second, but it should within a minute. And we'll see. DNS updates could require up to 30 seconds. If changes aren't acknowledged, please retry. So we'll see. Hopefully it'll keep pinging it or trying it until it responds with verification. There was a problem with that action. Couldn't find a CNAME record pointing to right because it hasn't been a full minute. Now we try it again. More time is ticked off the clock. We should be close to getting it verified now. You may have to do it 2-3 times. And if you're using another registrar like GoDaddy, who does not allow you to do a time to live as low as 1 minute, you will have to wait longer, perhaps up to 10 minutes. There we go. Yay, domain demo.securetrainingonline.com added successfully. Now, you can link the domain directly from here to the funnel. If I want to do that, I can pick my funnel, and then I can select my default step. And if I want, I have additional options to set the default 404 error page as well. So if I want to link this domain right now, this subdomain, I can do that and click link domain. And then once I've done linking it, if I want to unlink it, I click these 3 dots, I click on edit, and then what I can do is I can click this little X and unlink it. Now it's unlinked, and I can hit save. And now it would not be linked to that domain any longer. I'm going to leave it linked for now for an example purpose here. So the next thing you want to do is go into your site, go into sites, and then into funnels, go into that particular funnel. Maybe that was a website, because it works either way. Yeah, demo is actually a website. That's fine. They link the same way. Go to settings, and then you can see the domain is here, and it's linked, right? And I can switch it to one of these other ones if I want to. And if I want to remove it, I can remove it right here as well. So I can remove it. Now it's not there, but of course I've got to save it first. So I'll move myself out the way, and then I'd have to hit save if I remove it. Or I can switch it to one of these other ones. And if I don't want to make any changes, I just can back out of here. All right, so that's how you can link for the website or a funnel. Now if I go do it for a funnel, like say this funnel, form 0, I can go to settings, and then it's already linked to this domain, www.securetrainingonline.com. Now, the interesting thing is if I go to that domain, let's go to that domain, www.securetrainingonline.com, it will pull up a 404 page because I did not actually set this up correctly over here in settings. So let me go back over here. So even though it's set up here correctly inside the funnel, if I go back to settings, then go to domains, and I go into this one here, click on the edit for the www version, you can see I don't have anything associated here. So if you find that you've added the domain at the funnel level or the website level and it's not working, you're getting a 404, it's because you did not add it under domains. So under domains, I can add it now. I can say, let's go to form 0. That's the actual one it's set up to. Hit save. And now if I come back here and reload, it should bring up the page with the form. And there it is. So that's how you fix that problem. Now, the other problem we're going to experience is if I go in here and just want, without the www, it's just Secure Training Online. Hopefully it doesn't resolve back to www right this second, but if it doesn't, it should also show a 404 error. But see, it's automatically resolving. So what we can do to get rid of that is we can click, we can just delete www dot in front of the https:///, and now we should see site can't provide a secure connection, or a 404 error page would also show up here. This is because if we go to Secure Training Online again, without the www, click on edit, it's defaulted to this page, but it hasn't propagated yet for the secure SSL. Okay, but a better way to do this, to ensure you get proper redirects, and I like to redirect to the www version. I don't know why, that's just my preference. Some people want to go the other way. They want to redirect the www version to the root domain. I like doing the root domain to the www version. Is I would not want, so if I'm doing it from, I want to redirect the root domain to the www version, I would remove this default page, save it. So now there's nothing pointing to this domain. And now if we go back here, and we try this, we should get a 404 for sure, or not. Okay, we're not getting it still, but you still see it doesn't work, right? So then the other thing I want to do is I want to make a URL redirect. So I'm going to come over to URL redirects, and right now we have this one. This is why this is not giving me a 404. Okay, so let's delete this. I already set this up. But this isn't going to work the way I want it to work anyway, so we want to get rid of that anyhow. Now if we come back here, reload it, we should get a 404. Okay, it still hasn't propagated the whole SSL deal. So we'll come back here. What we want to do now is we want to add a redirect. Again, if you wanted to point the root domain to the www version, you would click on that. Then the path would be just the /. Does not need the / and the star. So just the / URL redirect, and then this would be your full URL, www.securetrainingonline.com. Now if I wanted to do the opposite way, I would just select the www version, and then I would type in HTTPS and then securetrainingonline.com. And then I would create this redirect, right? But I want to do it the other way. So I'm going to go back to this way. I'm going to put it back in one more time, okay? And once we add that redirect, oops, I have to add the path, which is just /. Now, hopefully once it adds it, hopefully if we come back here, we're going to be able to see that if we put in this, it should automatically redirect to the www version. And of course, because I want to show you this, it's not working the way I anticipated to work. Here we go. Okay. So if I put in just the root domain and hit enter, it should automatically redirect to the www version like it has. Right? So that's how that works. So if you want to set that up correctly, this is the way to do it. But you want to make sure the path is just the /, not /*. When you do that, it does not work the same way. It does not resolve and work the way you intend it to work. All right, so that's how you add and set up a root domain and a subdomain, and then add it to a sales funnel or website, and then also create a redirect so that both the www version and the root domain version resolve to the same one sales funnel or website correctly. Thanks so much for watching this video. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you have any additional questions or comments, please leave them down below this video in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer them for you. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the high-level bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my high-level bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my high-level insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes high-level masterclass for beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about high-level. You will also receive a high-level agency masterclass for beginners. So if you are on the 297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines A.I, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines A.I SaaS, You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P 10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving marketing engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link, or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.